Are you a teenager dreaming of building serious wealth before you hit 25? In a world of TikTok millionaires and overnight success stories, it's easy to think riches come fast. But real financial freedom? That's built on proven principles. Today, we're sharing 7 timeless strategies for teens in the USA to stack your first million. No get-rich-quick nonsense, just real steps from those who've done it. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn your ambition into action. First principle, start as a rookie to become an MVP. Every NFL star began as a bench warmer, fetching water bottles, grinding through drills. You can't jump straight to quarterback. In business or life, earn your stripes. If you're 16, flipping burgers or starting a Shopify side hustle, embrace being the underdog. No connections? No cash? Perfect. Build from zero. Skip the entitlement. Social media sells shortcuts, but real winners pay their dues. Volunteer for grunt work, learn from mentors, climb that ladder. LeBron didn't start as a legend. He hustled from the bottom. Second principle, dress for the league you want, not the one you're in. As a young American hustler, adults will judge you by your age alone. Don't make it worse with baggy jeans or loud logos. Choose timeless style. Clean button-ups, chinos, loafers from places like J. Crew or Uniqlo. Skip the Gucci flex, that's for later. Imagine stepping into an investor pitch looking like a sharp 25-year-old exec, not a high school kid. It demands respect. Pro tip, hit thrift stores or Poshmark for killer finds under 50 bucks. Elevate your look and doors swing open. You're not just dressing, you're showing the world you're all business. Third principle, find something that humbles you outside your comfort zone. Success can inflate your ego fast, especially if you're crushing it early. Join an MMA gym, CrossFit class, or debate club. Anything that challenges you and reminds you you're not invincible. Business humbles you too. Launch an Etsy store, face rejections, pivot. Teens who hit 10 grand a month online and lost it all learn this the hard way. Sports like basketball or wrestling teach resilience. Lose a game, get back up. In the USA, with school teams and startup incubators everywhere, pick one. Humility keeps you grounded. Arrogance crashes empires. Fourth principle, skip casual hookups, go serious or stay solo. In your prime building years, distractions kill momentum. Tinder swipes and flings, they waste time and focus. As a guy or gal, this applies. Your peak attractiveness hits after 25, so grind now. Seek a ride or die partner who supports your late night hustles, or stay single. No half measures. American dating culture's brutal. Instagram DMs from ballers everywhere. Why compete at 18? Build your empire first. A true day one ally is priceless. They weather the storms with you. Fun comes later. Foundation comes now. Fifth principle, keep your crew tight, but your network wide. America's all about connections, from Silicon Valley mixers to college frat parties. Keep real friends to a handful, loyal ones who'd bail you out at 2 a.m. Acquaintances, stack them up. Be the polite networker at events, the LinkedIn warrior, without burning bridges. Avoid fake clout chasers. They're energy vampires. True friends push you higher. Spread influence like wildfire. Post value on Reddit, Twitter, join Discord communities. Small circle for trust, big reach for opportunities. Quality over quantity wins. Sixth principle, life tests if you can handle the win. Hit that million early, congrats. Can you multiply it? The universe or a higher power probes your character. Stay humble or get checked. Fast cars, parties, poof, it's gone. Set challenges, run a marathon, volunteer at shelters, mentor kids. In the US, with tech booms and recessions, pressure's real. Find a wise mentor, maybe a family elder or an app like Mentor Cruise. Legends repeat success yearly. Flashy flexes scream lucky kid. Prove you're built for longevity. Seventh principle, invest heavy, invest young. Teens in the USA, you've got time on your side. Compound interest is magic. Made 5 grand freelancing on Upwork? Don't blow it on sneakers. Park it in Roth IRAs, Vanguard index funds, or real estate apps like Fundrise. Avoid liquid traps like crypto day trading. Go illiquid. Starter property, gold ETFs. At 19, supercars scream, daddy's money or luck. Stash it away, let it grow. By 25, you're set. Pro hack. Apps like Acorns round up purchases for effortless saving. Wealth isn't spending, it's securing tomorrow. There you have it. 7 principles to millionaire status as a teen. No fluff, just actionable truth. Apply one today. Dress sharp for school tomorrow or hit the gym for humility. Subscribe for more no-nonsense advice on building wealth young. Drop a comment. Which principle hits hardest? Let's build empires together. Peace.